LED CM4312-H3 Fog Lights. 1. The LED CM4312-H3 Fog Lights feature an upgraded design that significantly enhances brightness and ensures stable light output. Designed with a wide range 30 VDC voltage range, the LED CM4312-H3 is ideal for cars, trucks, and SUVs in various driving conditions. 2. Maintaining the exact dimensions of traditional H3 halogen. Bulb length 43 mm, width 12 mm, and equipped with a non-polarity design. The LED CM4312-H3 allows for quick, hassle-free installation without wiring modifications. 3. With its advanced 360-beam optical design, the LED CM4312-H3 fog lights provide a broader and more uniform lighting range, eliminating dark spots and minimizing glare for safer night driving. Perfect for use as fog lights or daytime running light DRLs. 4. Engineered for durability. The LED CM4312-H3 uses a copper circuit board, aircraft-grade aluminum heatsink, and PWM constant current circuit durability by 35%, delivering consistent brightness and extending product life. 5. Thanks to its 10-30 VDC wide voltage compatibility, the LED CM4312-H3 fog lights work reliably across a wide variety of vehicle electrical systems, offering stable, flicker-free performance. 6. The LED CM4312-H3 is available in multiple lighting colors to suit different weather and driving needs. 6 LOK wide, crisp and bright for excellent visibility. 3000K warm white are friendly with enhanced nighttime penetration. Lemon yellow light, a perfect blend of white and yellow for improved visibility in fog, rain, or haze.